Is Dealhubster.com your ticket to savings paradise or a highway to online fraud? Let's find out. First, we're heading straight to Dealhubster.com. We need to see what they're offering and how they present themselves. Pay close attention to the types of deals they advertise. Are they too good to be true? Now, let's do some digging. We're checking the website's age and ownership. A very new website or one with hidden ownership details is a red flag. Use a lookup tool for this. Next, Google is our best friend. Search for reviews of Dealhubster.com. Look for both positive and negative feedback. Pay attention to common complaints. User reviews are crucial. Sites like Trustpilot and Citigabber host real customer experiences. Read a variety of reviews to get a balanced perspective. Now, let's scrutinize their contact information. Is there a physical address, a working phone number, and a professional email address? Lack of transparency here is a huge warning sign. Finally, consider the payment methods they accept. Secure payment options like PayPal offer beer protection. Be wary of websites that only accept less secure methods. Now, you have the tools to decide if Dealhubster is a deal or a scam.